What's going on, guys? This is Train Over 123 hashtag Trains Rock, and up ahead is Train 101, and this time I'm filming correctly today, and surprisingly, for once I did hear him sound his horn. My EOT is going off like mad on my scanner. My head end of train, or edge of train, whatever you call it, the head end of the train. So there go the crossings. And the 435. Oh my God, 3 locomotives. 814, 300, 813, or yeah, 813 and the 435. Oh my Lord. He had a helper unit on him. Oh my God. He had a helper unit. He had a helper unit on him. My voice is dying. Help me. He had a helper engine on him today. He had 3 engines. I don't believe it. 3 engines on Train 101. 814, 300, 813, or I think it was 813. Yeah, 813. And the 435. Awesome. Apologies for my sudden reaction, folks, but I've never seen, that's my first time ever seeing a 3rd engine on Train 101. So you're gonna see that. You're probably gonna have to understand why I did that reaction. Train 101 was supposedly running on time today. He never runs on time. Usually he's always late, but he's arrived. He's made it on time today, I guess. But I think I saw the driver. I think it was Dave or somebody, I don't know. But there go some flat cars, or empty container cars. Wow, a lot of empties today. There's a lot of empty well cars on him today. Interesting. Oh, here comes CSX. Pacer stack train. What else? Down a little bit. Oh, nah, he's speeding up. Either he's speeding up or he's slowing down, I don't know. There's UPS. What else? I don't know what this one is. There come the Florida East Coast train cars. Of course, the containers, I mean. Yeah, he's definitely going slower. He's more quieter today, though. Interesting. By the way, I was listening to my scanner, and before I heard the defect detector, but the transmission cut off. Like, it never finished its transmission, which is something weird I've never experienced, I've never seen before. I've never heard that happen before. Oh, here come more brakes, or... Here comes the end of Train 101. Are the railroad crossings going to malfunction? Let us see. Let us find out. Wait a moment. And... malfunction, I think. I've been having to check. I think they fixed it, but yeah, they did. They definitely fixed it. So that was Train 101 with 3 engines, 814, 300. I'm still trying to remember what the third engine was. I think it was 813 or something like that. I can't remember, or either 815. I don't remember. But then what surprised me was the 435. The GP40-2 number 435 was trailing behind as a trailer helper unit, which is something that that doesn't always happen. But that was a nice surprise. Whoa, it's foggy a little bit. My glasses are fogging up. Strange. But, anyways, it's been Train Lover 1238 #TrainsRock, signing off, and, see you guys later. I hope Train 950 comes next, because usually they'll have a meet around here, so I hope to see.